Hello everyone. Yesterday we did present tense. Let me recapitulate whatever we have done. In simple present tense, we use first form of verb with s or es. And for negative and interrogative sentences, we use do or does. And for present continuous tense, we use first form of verb with ing plus is, am, are. And for present perfect tense, we use has, have plus third form of verb. And the last one, that is present perfect continuous tense, we use has, have, been plus first form of verb plus ing. Example of simple present tense is he plays cricket. Example of present continuous tense is I am playing carrom board. Example of present perfect tense is I have drunk water. Example of present perfect continuous tense is I have been reading since morning. So today, let's have a look upon rules and regulations of past tense. Similarly, first like present tense, past tense also has four forms. These are simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. So let's see.
Hello everyone, I am simple past tense. Rule: verb second form for negative and interrogative sentence. We use did. For example, I played cricket match yesterday. Negative form: I did not play cricket match. Interrogative form: did I play cricket match? Thank you. Have a good day.
Everyone, I am past continuous tense. The rule of past continuous tense: was were plus V1 plus ing. Was used to singular subject and were is used plural subject. Example: he was playing football. They were playing football. He was not playing football. Was he playing football?
Hello
Thanks.
everyone, I am a past perfect tense. Rule: had plus verb third form. Example: I had finished my work. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am a past perfect continuous tense. The rule of past perfect continuous tense is had plus been plus V1 plus ing. Examples: I had been listening songs for an hour. Pulkit had been studying in the library before he came to the class. Thank you and have a nice day.